Good day, everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to perform four tasks on the Builders Hub, and that will be update of profile banner, profile bio, profile work experience, and profile picture. First thing we do is to go to all tasks. After that, we then make our way to the discover category on all tasks. There we can clearly see the tags, profile banner, profile bio, profile experience, and if we click show more, you'll see the profile picture option. There we can see the instructions if we click on any of the tags. Profile banner, it says make your profile more appealing by adding a custom banner. So once we do the tags, it will automatically update it and automatically show that you've performed the tasks. After thoroughly going through all the instructions, we then click the menu icon, which is the three lines at the top left of the page, and click on your name or your profile. Once you click on your name or your profile, it will open up your profile. Then you go to your pictures, you click on the avatar, then you click on the camera icon. Once you do that, it will open your file up so you can select any suitable picture and then go down and click apply. Once you do that, the picture will automatically upload and you'll be rewarded. The next is the profile banner. So we click on the banner, just like the profile picture, we click on the camera icon, you select a suitable profile banner and open it. After doing that, you go to apply and click apply, and your profile banner will be updated and you'll be rewarded duly. Then to our profile bio, which is also synonymous with about yourself, you click on the pen and paper icon and it will open up a place where you can edit it. You put in, you tell us about yourself and click save, and you'll be automatically rewarded. Then as for the profile experience or profile work experiences, your work experience, you click it and fill in the form. Once you've done that, you click save and voila, you'll be awarded your points. And thus all the tasks that you've set to do or that you've been assigned to do will have been completed. Thank you for watching the video.